What is the main purpose of lost circulation material, LCM? LCM is added to drilling fluid to seal fractures or porous zones and reduce mud losses. Which situation most commonly leads to lost circulation? Lost circulation often occurs when formation fracture pressure is exceeded, allowing fluid to escape. What does thin mud usually indicate? Thin mud has low viscosity, which can reduce hole cleaning efficiency. What drilling fluid property affects pump pressure the most? Higher viscosity increases frictional losses, resulting in higher pump pressure. What is the primary risk of excessive solids in drilling fluid? Excessive solids raise viscosity and ECD, increasing the risk of formation fracture and losses. Which equipment is mainly used to remove drilled solids? Shale shakers are the first and most important solids control equipment. What happens if solids control is ineffective? Ineffective solids control degrades mud properties and drilling performance. What is the function of a desander? Desanders remove larger drilled solids to maintain fluid quality. What is the function of a desilter? Desilters remove fine solids that pass through shale shakers and desanders. Why is gas removal important in drilling fluids? Entrained gas affects density and pressure calculations, impacting well-controlled decisions. which equipment is used to remove gas from drilling fluid. Degassers remove entrained gas from drilling fluid before it reaches surface tanks. What is the main purpose of a centrifuge? Centrifuges remove very fine solids to improve drilling fluid performance. Which mud property most affects rate of penetration, ROP? Higher mud weight increases bottom hole pressure, which can reduce ROP. What happens if drilling fluid density fluctuates frequently? Frequent density changes can destabilize the well and affect pressure control. What is a major benefit of proper mud conditioning? Proper conditioning ensures consistent mud properties, improving overall drilling performance. What does flat rheology mean in drilling fluids? Flat rheology helps maintain consistent hole cleaning across temperature changes. Why is mud testing performed regularly? Regular testing ensures drilling fluid properties remain within design limits. What can excessive gel strength cause during drilling? High gel strength increases surge pressures, raising the risk of formation fracture. Which fluid property helps minimize differential sticking? Low fluid loss reduces filter cake thickness, minimizing differential sticking risk. What is differential sticking caused by? Differential sticking occurs when drill pipe is pressed against the wellbore by pressure differential. What is the main function of polymers in drilling fluids? Polymers enhance viscosity and reduce fluid loss without adding excessive solids. Why is mud salinity controlled? Proper salinity helps prevent shale swelling and wellbore instability. What happens if drilling fluid becomes contaminated with cement? Cement contamination increases solids and viscosity, degrading mud properties. Which drilling fluid property directly affects surge and swab pressures. Higher viscosity increases surge and swab pressures during pipe movement. Why is maintaining consistent drilling fluid properties critical? Stable fluid properties support safe operations, good hole cleaning, and well control.